Table in MS Office Word. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a table using MS Office Word. So without wasting any time, let's get started. At first, go to Insert tab and then click on Table and select your paragraph and select your row and column. In my case, I'm taking 4 by 6, 6 by 4. And then I am selecting head row and then right click on selected cells and click on merge cells. Again click on merged cell and go to home tab and then click center. In case of total, you have to press Ctrl plus F9. Again I am telling Ctrl plus F9 and you will get this type of curly brace and press is equal to and subject1 plus subject2, then again press F9. In case of Sam, again click Ctrl plus F9 and then equal to, then click subject1 plus subject2 and press F9. Press Ctrl plus F9 is equal to 155 by 2 divided by 2. And then F9. In case of Sam, Ctrl plus F9 is equal to 122 divided by 2. F9. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the